Okay. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly, for those of you who don't know. And I am here with my sister.
Hello.
She's 13 and she's gonna do my makeup.
And I have no experience with it, just saying.
Yes, I'm really happy for that. Anyway, we'll just get right into the video. I'm obviously wearing makeup on. I'm gonna leave my eyebrows off just because. And I'm gonna take the rest of the makeup off. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I took off my makeup except my eyebrows. I left them on because I don't trust her doing my eyebrows. So everything else is off. So go ahead and take it.
All right. I'm pretty sure the first thing you gotta do is put on some cream. So I'm just gonna grab this cream from Pond's. You know, you gotta see that. You know, because we're doing makeup stuff. And then I'm gonna put it on her face.
Okay. Did you wash your hands?
Yes. I just damped it.
Okay.
Woman.
I don't wanna break out.
Over-exaggerated.
Did you wash the one you were eating Takis with?
I was eating with this like that.
And you're not gonna use it?
No.
Okay.
Gotta rub this in very nicely.
Mm.
Oh no. Okay, gotta rub this in very well. All right. Is that good enough?
I don't know. You tell me. You're the
Whoa,
makeup artist right now.
I think. Where's the green? I think you're supposed to use this green thing.
For what? Or why would you use
so you don't break out?
So I don't break out. That's why I would use the green one to not break out.
And so so your redness wouldn't show that much.
Okay. Do I got any redness?
No.
Okay. So what
Okay,
do
so
you
I
do?
guess we're gonna use foundation now.
Okay.
Okay. Use this one.
Whichever one you think is my shade.
I'm going to use.
Or should I actually pick the right one?
Oh, matte and poreless. Okay.
Tell them the shade.
It is shade 310 sun beige thing. All right, I'm gonna put some on my hand. I don't want to put too much, so it's just.
Yeah, don't put too much because last time I was doing like the previous video, I put a lot.
All right, see, that's good.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so now I have it on. I'm gonna put it on her face, like with the top, and then I'm just gonna dot it instead of like dragging it. You know, I know some makeup stuff.
Okay, good.
Okay, got put it all over her face.
Oh, so that's your camera?
Mm-hmm. They don't fuck me in the eye.
Okay.
Do it.
I've never been on your YouTube, okay?
Okay.
What are you calling this video?
My sister does my makeup.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, people, you guys should follow me on Instagram. At, you know.
You know what?
I forget. At Astrid _G. You know, yeah, you guys should follow me. Give me those likes. And blend it in also with like part of her neck.
Good job. Good job.
You know, oh yeah, I'm a beauty guru now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put concealer. I'm going to use an e.l.f. concealer.
Mm-hmm.
No shade. Okay. Use this one. Look up. Alright. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to make a triangle. There we go. No
Okay.
making fun
No,
of me.
I'm not. You might have just gotten the wrong shade, but it's okay.
Really? Oh well. And I'm pretty sure you do some right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then on the T-zone. Oh, I know what it's called. There's so many brushes, I don't even know which ones to use. Oh, I found it. Okay. So right now I'm just pretty sure I'm doing it wrong, but I'm rubbing it in I'm trying to make it like as unnoticeable as possible. Okay.
You're going home.
All right, I'll do it lightly. I don't. Finishing the bottom of her eyelids.
Eyelids.
Yeah, the bottom of her. Oh no. The bottom of her eyes. Trying to make
Her under eye.
her under eye. That's what it's called. What do I do next? Okay, no, don't tell me. Powder.
I'm gonna tell you.
Gotta powder her face. It is an elf as well. Oh, see that? It has this little powder thingy. So cute. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna pour powder here. It even says the instructions for me.
Okay.
Grab the little powder mabob. Powder mabob. And then. Next is blush. Malibu Glitz. Oh, is this bothering you?
No.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, go like that. Oh my gosh.
Is that a lot?
Yeah, I think so. Alright, I think that's good. Maybe the contour will block that out. No, there we go. Oh, I forgot to contour your face! Oh my gosh, how can I forget? Well, I can't do it now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, I'm gonna use this.
Yeah. Show them
Oh,
what you're
it
using
is.
for contour.
I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. 809. You're a natural
For contour.
for contour. Okay, go like this. I'm pretty sure. Why are you laughing?
Babe, do you see what she's using for contour?
What, is this too light for you? Is this not contour? Oh, this is. Oh, hold on. Okay, where's the contour? That's what I used. What am I supposed to use?
What do you think contour is?
It's like the black thing and stuff you put over here.
Also the black thing, and you're gonna use a white thing on it?
Oh, contour. From Wet n Wild. I got the right one. Let's just ignore that, ladies. Okay, go like this. Okay, we're gonna go like that. There we go. There we go. And then right here with the jawline. And then her.
Okay.
Beautiful, man. You see?
Yep.
All right, we're just gonna do one extra layer on this side because I accidentally used the wrong thing. It was her fault.
Yeah.
She told me.
Even now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
By Naked. Urban Decay. Okay. You know, beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a brush, her little brush thing. I'm going to use this one.
Okay. What kind of look are you going for?
I'm going for a natural, like an orangey, you know, type of look, you know.
Yeah.
You know, like kind of like an everyday look.
Oh, an orangey everyday kind of look. Okay.
at like the ends of her eye. Go like this and then it goes like that. Right now, I think that's okay so far. We'll come back to this later. All right, now I'm gonna do her lips.
So there's those lips there, and then there's lipstick.
Oh yes. I'm gonna use
Lipstick
like
right there.
a glossy pink. Yeah, this one. It is from Revlon. It is 55. Cupcake is the shade. I'm just put it on my hand so I can, you guys can see what it looks like. Right there. Right, gonna use another one so I can find a more orangey color in it. Another naked one. How did I know it was naked? Because I'm magical. Urban Decay Heat. Naked. Alright, I'm gonna use, oh, I actually want to use like a shiny one now.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use Lumbre. This one. And put it on her eye. Make it more pop. Make it pop more. I like doing a little dot right here. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't know how to pronounce it. Once, I think. Yeah, I think it's ounce. 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 Right there. I think I kind of wanna go over her pink shade because that doesn't look that well. So I'm gonna use this one. This is Lip Color, LA Colors, shade, I think 522 in the buff. Let's see how this one goes. I think we gotta take off your makeup first though. I mean, take off this part. Do that again. I'm gonna do eyeliner.
Okay.
This is probably gonna ruin the whole entire makeup, but let's try it. All right.
Because it's so perfect already.
I'm pretty sure this is an eye pencil, so this means eyeliner. This is from Urban Decay. It's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. There you go. It actually doesn't look that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that probably messed up the whole makeup, but whatever. So I'm gonna put on some mascara for the finishing touch. I'm going to use Elizabeth Arden.
Hey.
It's called Grand Entrance Mascara.
No.
That little screeching sound you hear is my kid. And my baby Lucas.
I don't want to do her bottom because that's just gonna mess up even more. So I think that's it
Yeah, that's it.
for now. You know, who knows, maybe next time I'll be doing her hair, and you know, the eyeliner messed it all up, but she doesn't look that bad. Anyway, yeah, so this was me doing my sister's makeup. Maybe next time you'll see her doing my makeup.
Comment down below how well she did. 1, she did horrible. 10, she did good.
Or don't comment.
Or just comment down below if you want to see her in more videos, like us doing challenges or anything like that, because she loves YouTube challenges. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go take this off because I'm not gonna go out like this, but she didn't do a bad job.
Even one day I might do my own makeup with her things and have no idea what I'm doing, so stay tuned if that ever happens. So you know.
Yeah, so it's not horrible. It's not bad, but she did okay. Anyway,
I'm even disappointed on me doing her eyeliner.
I mean, your contour could have used a little bit more blending. Lipstick does not go.
All right, no time to criticize, please. Thank you.
Eyeshadow could have used more blending too. But other than that, she didn't do a horrible job. So just give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below how well she did. And I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. And yep, bye.